Hi, my name is Liz,
And I'm Jasmine.
and today we'll be performing 林鸟趣话, but translated literally, that means interesting stories about forest birds, and it's super boring, so we decided to call it.
Flirty, fluttering birdies.
Yeah. So why did we choose this dance?
Both of our solos and just most of our group dances in general have a more serious dynamic, but when we watched this video for the first time, it was just very fun and playful, and we just thought it would be so much fun to just finish out our last year with a dance that's just for fun.
This dance is super intimate, and it was kind of impossible for us to learn it by ourselves because we're basically intertwined for the majority of this dance. And we just hung out and learned it together, and
It's just very dynamic, and as Liz said, there's a lot of moments where we are just very wrapped in with each other, so it's not something that would have really been possible for us to learn on our own, and it was just a lot of fun to help each other learn each other's parts and just look at the video and be what are they doing? How do we do that? So yeah, birds have a wide range of emotion and dynamics, and it's just been a lot of fun just fluttering around on stage together.
3, 2, 1.
We
We hope you enjoy. Okay, gas.